Hi, I'd like to explain a bit about the CallThis function that's available in Visio to call code behind, i.e. Visual Basic for Applications code. If we look at the Microsoft Docs for this, the CallThis function, and we scroll down, there are some examples down the bottom here of how this can be used, but it's not particularly clear what you should do within the VBA itself. So we can see we call this calling the procedure name with some arguments, whether it be put through as text or whether we put through as numbers, in this case there's two of them, or we're putting through here as multiple arguments through text. So what I've done on my sample document here is reproduced those, and if we go down to here, we've now got those examples that we can see, and if we double click we can see that CallThis is showing it's 1.06 centimeters high, and it is now passing through numbers there, as we can see here, and this is calling this document here and just shows the shape that is calling from. And we've got arg1 equals click, as you can see there, and arg2 is OK in this particular case. Now that is calling code that's in this Visio document itself, which I don't think is the best way of doing things. I put mine into stencils, but if you're going to put it into a stencil, then you need a little bit extra. So on this page, I've got the same routines, procedures, and I'm calling them from the VBA project name, which is called this examples, as you can see there. So the CallThis examples is going in as the argument to CallThis, and we're also specifying the module that those routines are within, those procedures are within, or indeed this document, which is a class, and it could be within another class, but you always get this document as a default class. So in this case, I'm getting exactly the same result, but it's calling a different function. It's a duplicate of the first one, but it's going to code that's in the stencil, not code that's in the document. And why would I do that? Well, that's because I like my code to be able to be used on multiple documents, and as you can see here, it's not editable at the moment, so it can be put out as uneditable document, which is good. It means you can update the code and you can send out an update in the VBA itself. So let's have a look at the VBA, which you can get by going to Alt F11, or on the Developer tab, if you've switched it on, you can go to Visual Basic. And here we can see that I've got currently the document. So here's the modules in the document, and down here we can see those are the particular modules there where we're just passing through, and this is required for all of the routines called by CallThis, is the first argument is the shape that is calling it. That gives us a reference to the shape, and then you can pass through any number of arguments as long as the signature matches. So here I'm going through to the subfunction or procedure P, and I'm passing through the height in centimeters as a string. And down here we've got passing through the height in centimeters, and if I expand that, it's also passing through the width in UI as a double. And that's all that's doing there. The ones in the class in this document are these ones here. If I expand that, the simple one, just calling through the VSO shape as visio.shape, you can call that whatever you want. So I'm just showing it's calling that, and then it is saying, look, you came in to procedure A, came into procedure B, passing through that argument, came into procedure C, and you're passing through those two arguments. So it's as simple as that. You've got exactly the same. I put them in the stencil, and in the stencil we can see we're calling through there. Now the module name could be different than the document name. So if I click on the document, which is the stencil in this case, we can see that I've called that project CallThis examples. And that is what is going through as this argument here in the middle there, CallThis examples, as we see going through there. So that is how you can call this, call subroutines, call procedures, whatever you want to call them, subfunctions, within your VBA code from a Visio shape, and you're passing through the shape automatically as the first argument.